Hey y'all, it's Sherry with Tinkerbell, and together you and I are making your home a sanctuary. I'm on my back porch and I want to give you a Tinkerbell tidbit that y'all are not going to believe. First, do you see this beautiful asparagus fern? See how full and lush and green and happy this baby is? Well, let me tell you, when I brought it home, it was anything but happy. I bought it for 25 cents because it was at least half dead, if not 3/4 of the way dead. It was this big around and had one little straggly stalk in the center. It had gotten sun scorch, and the home improvement place was really basically just trying to get anything for it. So I bought a ton of them, planted it, made sure that I watered it, it had enough light. Duh, right? That's how you really get healthy plants. But on top of that, I used my Tinkerbell tidbit on this beautiful fern, and just a few months later, look what I have. What's my Tinkerbell tidbit, you ask? I am so glad you asked. It's coffee. You're like, wait, what? Yeah, coffee. The stuff that we drink every morning to get us going, and some of us drink all day long to keep us going. Coffee. It's coffee grinds. All you gotta do a couple of days before you need to fertilize is start saving your coffee grinds. And y'all, it does not matter how you brew your coffee. If you use the little pods or you use the foil Nespresso pieces, if you use a good old-fashioned percolator, it really doesn't matter how you use your coffee grinds. If you don't drink coffee, go to your local coffee shop because they will give you their coffee grinds. Promise you, they will gladly give you their coffee grinds. And all you need is maybe a cup or two, depending on how many plants you want to fertilize. And here's how you do it. You ready? So I've got some coffee grinds right here, and I just take a regular kitchen spoon because it's just coffee. It's not poisonous, it's just coffee. Push the plant back because you won't be able to get at the roots. And then I take a little bit, not much, maybe a heaping teaspoon. This one's kind of a big plant, so I will put one back here as well. Just take a heaping teaspoon and then mix it into the soil a little bit. That way that coffee gets right down into the roots, just like we want it to seep into our soul in the morning. We want the coffee to seep into the plant soul. Add a little bit of water, sit back, and watch your plant over the next couple of days go. Just like we do when we take that first sip of coffee in the morning, right? If you are not following Tinkerbell, please make sure that you do. On Instagram, you will find me at the Tinkerbell1, and on Facebook, you'll find me at Tinkerbell1122. Not only do I share tips and tricks like this all the time, we do lots of DIY and all kinds of home improvement projects. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this Tinkerbell tidbit, and until next time, have a great day. Bye y'all.